I came here to Kwik Kar Marsh to get an oil change, but they do much more than that. When they gave me my oil change, they also identified that I had some other mechanical issues on my car that I had no idea where to take it at that point. So I would think it's very unique, and I don't think very many people knew this. The other thing that I think is very important to know is about this customer service they also provide, in that helping to solve the problems uniquely and keeping you from having to think that they just pushed you off if there was another issue. I had a problem with the rear end of my car, and it was so unique that it was going to take a special tool from the dealer to solve the problem, but they offered me an alternative, which no other mechanic would do that. And I think that's very unique in their customer service, that they gave me some alternative solutions that actually fixed my car. And as a result, my car is running great now, and I recommend that you use Kwik Kar Marsh here in Addison, Texas.